Packed books in a grocery bag. Said it's not goodbye. It's just a mood, but the echo in this hallway still may cry when I walk through. I keep thinking I might run into you by the mailbox, by the stairs. Strong feelings in a quiet space. Your coffee cup still sitting there. I got these mixed feelings, all tangled in the ceiling cracks. Half of me wants you happy, half just wants you back. People pick on me for waiting, say I'm stuck in the past I'm in. But I got strong feelings, I don't know where you end, where I begin. Your key left on the table, a little silver, a little shine. It's the smallest piece of metal, but it holds this whole old life. I keep scrolling through your pictures, pretend I just might run into a version of you that turns around and says, I still miss you too. Oh, I got these mixed feelings, all tangled in the ceiling cracks. Half of me wants you laughing, half just wants you back. Friends pick on me for waiting, say I should let somebody in. But I got strong feelings, and they all keep running back to them. I try to sleep, your laugh comes through every quiet night, may cry. How can someone live in two places, here and there, at the same time? I got these mixed feelings, pulling hard at every seam. Half my heart is in this city, half is chasing down your dreams. They can pick on me for hoping, say the story's wearing thin. But I got strong feelings, and they say one day